What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kia back at it again with another video, and this bomb unit is from Yolissa Hair. She is a 24-inch body wave, 13x4 lace front wig. She's 180% density, and the color is 27. This is my very first time trying a color like this. It's kind of like a dusty, dirty blonde, and she's cute. So these are all the goodies that come in the box with your gorgeous wig. Now we're going to move on to styling. So what I like to do, again, because this was a body wave wig, is I am going to straighten the hair. And I am using my Babyliss flat iron. And I'm not even using any product in the hair because I don't want to weigh it down. No, I say this all the time, but using a hot comb on lace front wigs is essential. It's going to make sure your hair is super laid. This is what the hair looks, all silked out and pressed. And this is before I installed her. This is the cap construction, so you can see there's some really nice flexible lace on the wig. And it's going to be easy to blend in with any skin tone because it is transparent. I am using transparent lace. I always like to use elastic to melt my lace into my actual skin tone because I find it does work a lot better than just a regular scarf. And here I'm going to part out our baby hairs. I did kind of a different style of baby hair. I didn't even really cut it. It's really hard for me to explain, so I'm gonna just let you watch. This is how the hair looked all straightened out. I wore her like this for a day, and then I came back the next day and I curled her up. So this is the next day, and I'm going to show you how I throw my curls in there. As you can see, I am using a wand. I find that the wand curls last a lot longer, even though this isn't a small wand. It's a pretty decent size, but wand curls seem to last the longest for me. And I like to use this in hair that has been colored because sometimes I have a hard time coloring. I have a hard time curling colored hair. So I'm going to do pin curls with this. I did about 5 curls on one side and 5 curls on the other side. And yeah. Once the curls is all done, I did spray a little bit of free spray just to hold them a little bit better. And I'm going to take my pin curls out when my hair is completely cooled. And I'm going to run my fingers through it to give a bouncy, effortless curl. And here is our finished look. She looks so good. And I'm so excited that I actually got to try this color. So if you did want to pick up this unit from Yolissa Hair, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.